Get a new, everyday at home, with Vega 3-in-1 styler. You can fix, crease and twist your hair with this styler. From a corporate look to a party look, this styler is one-stop answer for give you another hairstyling ordinary. The styler has level plates, to fix the hair and make smooth look. The crimper plates make excellent surfaces, and the hair curler assists with making glistening locks. This styler has one catch, to switch unreservedly to 3 distinct styles, helpfully and without any problem. In this way, it's an ideal opportunity to say bye to messy hair day. Glitz up with this 3-in-1 styler, and appreciate ordinarily as a decent hair day. The main features are: straightener plates, crimper plates, hair curler, clamp, ceramic coated plates. Only one button to switch to any style. On/off switch with power indicator light.